Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Virtua Metaverse token. Ticker symbol is TVK. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So it just got listed today, November 16th at 8 o'clock UTC time on Mexc. So if you're looking to get the Virtua token, all you would have to do is, first of all, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search TVK, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So welcome to the Metaverse. This is the Virtua's web page here. So it's if you want to find all the information, there's a couple different ways. They have a pitch deck. But the easiest way to find all the info is to go to virtua.gitbook.io. That's going to be more along the lines of a wiki document, kind of like a white paper. This is an Ethereum token. There's a max total supply of 1,200,000,000 tokens. They have over 12,700 holders right now, a market cap of $61.7 million. 18 decimal places on this token. It says this token's actually up 13% right now. Price is about 5 cents per token according to their Etherscan. You can find their Twitter at Virtua Metaverse. They have over 125,000 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, almost 7,000 tweets on there. So very well established project. So Virtua is a metaverse driven by games and social experiences, a world where you can constantly reinvent yourself, a world where you can create, play, and socialize with like-minded people, a vast virtual space that you can truly call home. In Virtua, you can explore, hang out, and own land and properties where you can showcase your personal NFT collections. You can also craft, own, and use all kinds of amazing items and assets, and join a range of communities that share your favorite passions. Virtua changes the dynamic of engaging with digital experiences because of our metaverse is built using Web3 technologies. This means it can shift ownership, identity, and communication back into the hands of the user. We also collaborate with major brand partners across entertainment, art, music, sport, blockchain, crypto, and gaming to pioneer a new way to immerse yourself in everything that you love. We've been at the forefront of Web3, Metaverse, and NFT industries for over half a decade, and our team of experts are completely dedicated to giving our ever-expanding community an evolving Metaverse experience. Top-level brands trust us to create great experiences and help bring iconic Web2 IPs into the Web3 space. We've already worked with amazing brands, companies, and creatives, including Kevin Hart, Legendary Entertainment, Paramount, Cardano, Shelby, Stephen Colbert, Elvis. Well, it says Elvis Presley. I don't know if they worked with the actual Elvis Presley. Bored Ape Yacht Club. I mean, obviously this is something else, Elvis Presley, but yeah. These are most likely like NFT collections or something. Virtua is a multi-platform and includes desktop, mobile, AR, and VR interfaces, providing you with a total freedom of choice as you explore and have fun with its new virtual universe. So the TVK is the token here, and so it says this fuels Virtua and opens up a whole new world of privileges, experiences, and opportunities. So they have a specific tokenomic page that you could check out on their Medium articles. So they have, so this stands for Terra Virtual TV, and then the K, what does the K stand for? It doesn't tell you what the K stands for. But yes, they raised a lot of money initially in their original token sale. I mean, like I said, there's a lot of holders already, but basically how the token is split up here, we got 20.94% of the tokens went to private sale, 20% marketing, 5% advisors, 7.29% business development and partnerships, 20% ecosystem reserve, 10% team, 5.3% 2018 round, 0.73% public, and 1.4% goes to private 2 and marketing. So that's how the tokenomics are split up there. They all have different vesting schedules here. Oh, Terra Virtua Collect is what it stands for, TVK. It's an ERC20 token. So besides that, they have all sorts of information about the world, the Metaverse world. You can check out in depth each part of the world, like the Virtua Islands. They have something called the Cardano Island, the games in Virtua, the land and its attributes, Virtua Prime. But let's skip down to the roadmap here. So what they're trying to accomplish here. Oh, that's another whole Medium article of their roadmap here. So their roadmap seems to be just paragraphs and paragraphs. I wish they had a concise roadmap here. But basically, yeah, they're going to have just all sorts of different game rollouts and different parts of the metaverse. Like they're going to have mobile native cribs and condos, web and mobile V spaces, a game hub. You know, so they have all different things coming out that came out this year. Well, this year's almost over now. Outside spaces and utility crib functionality releases, automated land generators. But each one of these things that I'm talking about too, they have big paragraphs on all of them, like Ready Player Me integration, Virtua Human Avatar Builder V1, further developments and projects. So basically, I recommend joining if you want to learn more about this project. They have a Discord, they have a Twitter, they have a YouTube. You can check out virtua.com. They have the Virtua Wiki. And then they have this brand new Mexc Global listing. So, I mean, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.